Okay, so after a hard day of riding, the bike is absolutely fine. New rear shoes are turned up. Been waiting on these for about, what, 3 or 4 weeks now? Fucking Indonesian products. So yeah, we're just about to fit those. People have been asking me for loads of videos of fitting stuff and upgrading stuff and modifying stuff. So here it is, and excuse the poor filming quality. Daryl's going to be on the camera. Yeah, we're going to be using a trusty old snap-on set and an adjustable spanner because I couldn't be bothered to bring down spanners that fit. Don't use adjustables, they're shit. This is the best tool I own. Yeah, it just makes everything 10 times quicker than it should be. Off. Oh fuck! I don't like this one-handed malarkey. Probably shouldn't include that, but I'm gonna. Fuck's sake. Oh, this is not going good. Yes, there'll probably be music over this video. Way closer than that. That's lovely in time. Camera is probably going to die halfway through this fucking thing. .23mm nut because it's fucking awkward. That's not how you use an adjustable. Chain's still on. Adjustables can also make good hammers. Fuck, I forgot to undo that one. As you can see, the wheel like new. Cush drive, loving the 140. Bye. And one spring snapped, and the other one's, oh yeah, right. Hold on. God, I hate these fucking things. God, I hate drums. Swear to God, if it gets my finger, it'll be the last fucking thing it does. Pause. Okay, so the brake shoes are now back in. That works a hell of a lot better. Right, now to get the wheel back on the bike and chain back on and then try it. Don't drink this shit, it kills you. After you lube your chain up and adjust it so it's nice and, well, not tight, it's just right. Put all the chain guard back on. What I used for the chain lube was, I believe it's 1040 motor oil. Yep. Because I don't have any chain grease and it's stupidly fucking retardedly overpriced. And as you can see, it's worked a treat all over my floor. Fuck's sake. So that's going to be the end of this absolutely shit tutorial. I'm about to put on some brake drums. But in all seriousness, if you do want some more videos about actually installing some stuff when I get the new bike, leave a like and a comment saying so, and I'll do my best to properly actually record it, not just fuck around. So yeah, until next time, leave a like, comment and subscribe. In all seriousness, Monster Energy is bad. Like, bad. Look, not even paint sticks properly. Bad. Don't drink Monster. Joking, it's fucking awesome, drink it. It's worth dying for.